Hello everybody, I am Shar Castino and this is the IPA transcription of my name, and now I will be pronouncing the different English sounds for us to familiarize, learn, and practice pronouncing it correctly. Okay, let's go to the first sound. So we have the ah, as in but, and. Next we have the as in cut, yogurt, cup, yogurt. Next we have as in but, utter, but, utter. Next we have the as in comma, mammal, comma, mammal. Next we have the ow as in brow, owl, brow, owl. Next we have the as in bet, elephant, bet, elephant. Next we have the e as in bit, freak, bit, freak. Next we have the e as in bit, fig, bit, fig. Next we have the a as in paid, stain, bait, stain. Next we have the I as in bite, dynamite, bite, dynamite. Next we have the as in but, biju, biju. Next we have the o as in pot, chot, boat, chot. Next we have the oi as in boy, annoy, boy, annoy. Next we have the oo as in book, mistook, book, mistook. And we have the oo as in boot, brute, boot, brute. Okay, so we have the p as in pot, plan, pot, plan. Next we have the b as in bat, bed, bat, bed. Next we have the t as in take, talk, take, talk. And then we have the d as in drum, dream, drum, dream. Kite, kitchen, kite, kitchen. Group, grasp, group, grasp. As in mountain, mountain, abstain, abstain. We have the ch as in chart, cheers, chart, cheers. Judge, job, judge, job. Mammal, money, mammal, money. Nose, net, nose, net. Sing, loving, sing, loving. Five, free, five, free. Vibe, vase, vibe, vase. As in breathe, both, breathe, both. Next we have the as in breathe, 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 breathe. Next we have as in stop, shop, stop, shop. Zebra, zip, zip, zebra. Shoe, shawarma, shoe, shawarma. As in garage, massage, garage, massage. As in hello, hit, hello, hit. Wait, watch, wait, watch. Yellow, yacht, yellow, yacht. Run, roof, run, roof. Okay, the newly found confidence and enthusiasm not only helps you remove the monotony of English, but it also makes you speak more and more because you sound so much better, and this is a ripple effect on how fast you gain fluency. The more you speak, the more you improved. And that's all for the sounds of English. Thank you.